Yes.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Yes po. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Kamusta po? Welfare check po muna. Kamusta po kayo, ma'am? Ano po pakiramdam niyo ngayon, ma'am?
We're currently talking to the ICC personnel inside so that we can do a visit and then we can attend the initial appearance later this afternoon. So we'd like to request your indulgence for...
Let me attend to my client first. Media, please understand we have to attend to the client.
Yes po, ma'am.
Some sort of space.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. So to allow us some sort of space so that we can give you some information so that you can do your work.
In a bit po pwede.
Opo, pwede po namin kayo matanong po, ma'am.
We have a media relations officer under the office of the Vice President. His name is JC Kahinhinan. And